Step into absolute modern living with stunning Balmoral views as your backdrop in one of Mosman's best locations. Hi, my name's Mitchell Soinova and welcome to another Pello property. I can't wait to show you through for a look. Welcome to this newly refreshed 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment located on the second floor of a secure block with dual access from Mandolong Road and Clifford Street. Recently updated with fresh paint, brand new oak floorboards and new carpet in the bedrooms, it feels like new. Inside, you'll find a spacious L-shaped lounge and dining room opening onto a full-width balcony with stunning Balmoral water views. The modern kitchen is equipped with European stainless steel appliances, pantry and an internal laundry. The main bedroom features built-in wardrobes, an ensuite, open bright outlook, while 2 additional bedrooms also have built-ins and share a second bathroom with a separate shower and tub. The home includes 2 lock-up garages, with one providing direct lobby access into the garaging. Conveniently situated above Balmoral Beach and on the doorstep to Mosman Village, Bridgepoint Shopping Centre and easy access to public transport including the B-line into the city or up to Manly. This apartment offers the perfect blend of beachside living and village convenience. Thank you for touring this beautiful apartment with me. Don't miss your chance to make it yours. I look forward to welcoming you at the next inspection.